All right, it's been 4 months since I started this car. I got the Atomic MSD fuel injection system put on it last time I was home. It's just been sitting here with the trickle charge on it. I am going to hook up the cable and see how it's going to start. Okay, we got the negative cable put back on. This will be a test of the trickle charge. It's been on for 4 months, the whole time. And a test of the MSD Atomic fuel injection system. It's about 52 degrees. So with a carburetor, we have to pump the gas. Here, we're just going to turn the key, see what happens. There's one. And she's off. Sounds like it's missing, but it's not. It's a big cam we got in there. Wow, what a difference. With a carburetor, I'd still be pumping the gas, trying to keep it running. I'm impressed with the Atomic MSD fuel injection system. Fumes are not as bad either in the back here. With the carburetor, you couldn't stand back here. The fumes would choke you out.